Hi! In front of me is Realme GT NEO 3T, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and install your new defaults. In my case, Opera browser. Or I already have Opera, so maybe Opera browser beta. When your app is ready, go into Settings. In Settings, you need to scroll down and choose Apps section. Then click on Default Apps and tap on one of those options. In my case, Browser app. In order to apply your app, you need to click on it and go back. So now, as you can see, after all that, my default one has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!